All right, guys, are you ready for your Best Buy project? You are now going to apply what we've learned about unit rate into the real world. All right, so ready? Let's do this. After learning about the unit rate, you notice that people are spending too much money in the grocery store. You're now determined and have made it your mission to inform the shoppers how to save a lot of their hard-earned money. You have teamed up with a peer and an ad agency to get your message out to the shoppers by creating a flyer, helping customers be more aware of the cost of their purchases. You are to create a professional-looking brochure or flyer or commercial to inform the importance of calculating unit rate to compare goods. All right, here are your requirements. All right, create a professional-looking print ad or commercial to inform the customers. Inform the customers in a flyer commercial why it's important to determine the unit rate. Give me a short paragraph. You will need 3 sets of examples, 6 total items from the grocery store or online purchase. For example, you could do pretzels, $3 for a 20.25 ounce and $4 for a 24.55 ounce bag. This would be one example. You need a total of 3 sets. That's one set right there. So you need 2 more sets. Provide the unit rate for all the examples. Explain with a few reasons why purchasing the cheaper unit rate may not be the best option in all the scenarios. Provide visuals of the items. You could do a picture or an online image. Make sure your math is correct. And your flyer is limited to 1 page, and your commercial is under 2 minutes. All right, let's now look at how we're going to grade you. All right, your project explains the importance of unit rate when comparing the items. Your ad or commercial includes 3 examples. Examples 1, 2, and 3. Both unit rates are solved correctly. Then, your examples correctly identify the cheaper unit price. Flyer or commercial includes 1 or more appropriate reasons why the consumer may not want to purchase the better buy. Your ad includes 2 or more images of products. Your flyer has appropriate title. And your flyer or commercial is grammatically correct. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see your ad or commercial explaining the better buys. Good luck. See me or Miss Crothers on Wednesday if you have any problems or need additional help.